tumia promo code Ndizi TV. Download TapTap Send kutoka Google Play au App Store. TapTap Send. Send more, spend less.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu bw'omuguzi. Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tukuiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubiriyo yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberenenge bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abunda isi veke nambeye asesemiao enoti isano na ibere inya isatu isano nemu ibere isatu isano na isatu isano na ibere eyemo elioto akire n'abasaki baito baikasure nakubeko roboti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simu yawe ime.
Onchumuli wono chara Grace to chabono botuka kene okwaligania SMS mangana mayenya roko manyagati yare twabireto okwaliganiria kurose mambia yale ngentamego chinse chigabono chiabono botuko na mangabereka okolekana seribwa ngochiko gosansa munane muna bali kibaito yare bako yasangereria imene isiko yorogongo rwaguse ligono litukaligaria Jumaine starikinye umuti nyogatana limo omwaka bwechiri bubere na merongevere na akrabon toko chikwaligania SMS mangana mayesa to chiabono botuko turigererie buna abereka wateka aseri Gabono ya Jumaine nyirabono bakondra gutubwate gwetere nsemeria ya mtandao nsemeria Facebook na bogote na Ndizi TV News digital na bogense nsemeria YouTube na bogote na Ndizi TV News to basakweba gutubwate gwetera se website ya butambe una www.ndizitv.net onyale konyara yo monenda mangori to kubwatera nere gwetera somo na bimenyererio igakoro kwa lili mosekero klipetu ndira mukira akoeneke una chibi chamuri wasnyolre asenchire bwana tritangale kimo chora mangana yo asenchira yoko ya chuta.
The biggest problem is debts owed to suppliers which have not been met.
Okungusana na sensemo yobo charuni kogendreta kone kiwagati ya serikali chichi county ya mwana serikali nene amone nsemeli yokubata kama liyogo KEMSA.
We are gathered here to discuss how the executive and legislature can enhance their relations.
Imirobili nigagendreta kobe kwa kone kensemo yebunga na baigana nsemo korosi ya machiko na kibara bwatiri nuko ikirani imirobili yabo wancherelia gotayo. Muwaziri bwechisemeze kiliomba kimacho guniga boria baiboli kone kinkwira bara abana babachizukuru cy'ubundia. Asa yamanenda mange saranso ikabono twemanya senchire jobo kerano isato chiabono botuko retirana nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Kubatakana no kubunungania kwa menye kurwa sensemo yeligomane nsemeli yabo chalia kubatakana no kubara kwa macha segeka ni kubono balene kibakwego kerama ega yome msebo godi yunyambega gisesa konyara ko chale committee bene kurwa senseme yabo chalia baraje kubatana na kone kibuna amacha yobetaka okunya senseme yebo hol ngonyara go sa kobekwa gocha chinsem senseme yo yabo chalia okona chinga kichoko chale committee bene ni gate biruna committee ne chikonyara kubatana na abantu bande kurwa senseme yo kone kibuna macha inkobe kwara gwanchirya kondo konsegoteyo na kone kya banta bangonyora bara mache sensemeyo kisasabo igoni government rebuna nenchirya muyo konyana gwikirania magendra senseme na gotebu na chikumurekera chinsemo chinde elikone kibuna bantu konyora bara mache gatie bintu binde buna magendro ase ward yeli goma na gotebu na chikubwatira na bwatani elikone kwikiranira bokorri bwa ya senchire bweneten nigochinga kya borre committee yacho ritukuri ya rokone kibuna nkubeka bali merubili sene chinjira chitakeire elikone kya menyi bensemo yabo chali bonsi konyora bara mache goika watali gocharose wanchire kondo wensi goteyo
twata gochore committee yo kumanage amaito amache tabocharia ayose county ya Nyamira arana ara amache akabera service mabiari miru amange kabisa toona nire to form committee n'abananchi batebire nga kurukiro motienyi mbarukende kyo gokonya maintain amacha aya nali arakonye abantu babocharia abantu ba mawero abantu bakirira ri Kenya nali yabe maje ntwaroseti lakini boneka kunyorwa source tora distribute ocha semechi na kito wananirera bande ba register abantu baratake amachende kuchia semechi kiro twanyorira data yu torore na kitora akore
conclusion ya mo MC ateba o include abantu bari ngina absentia bari buntole no mane nga mbabwa to manyi voice bago chikoprekana na banda babachorwa se committee ya lero tuabere ne committee konyere interim ikonye tariko tutale korora ngobokore bwa ombu alinge tuabeke interim lakini bonige committee ya choriro yabera approved kolengana ngale bwo gukora egasi buronge irinde project yenyale go faidisha abantu bekenyoro kia bochari
kwirendire mwishimi gwitu na mbia mono asengenja tolete ira mache kiara konyora mache na rto gusomia abantu na bakonyara kwa bakunyatumia aikonyo batabwati
abangina baitu bajane ke bakurusia mache roja sa tambe lakini bona yoto bwata musikenya libo baba no ito otokonye wasi musimi wagisese tonyora mache ayo anene mna mache ayo tukurusi bitunu bika kalero chimate ebindi bika kalero chengeria abangina basunyukire sana lakini esibona iga twasabire bona na project ya chirenengia nechipache tonchisaleke take sengenjo tukatoba komugaya lakini twiguna chipache tonchigorale nesukuru neregaiga tubate nyomba yagachira abocharia yagachukale sana ere bosa tubate gashi gokora twasabire twatebe mwesimi goito aike magana ya se county atobe kuno protect ni ga bana baitu banya gokora ki banya gosomoro gaiga dio bakonda tambe entuto gokeno mogoko igombia mono
egasi ya this water management committee no kubwaterana no korra majengo ikirara bantemechi go maintain bare a pipe ekara macha asarikire ebese ngutukire yokorupye bintebi and for proper management ya mache
na gotikana yubono mwancho muligereria abagendia chigali chitipa ichibono chigali cyomo cyanga kurwase county ya Kisii ligono barokane kwe murungani nchira bagosekasigiwa ameye county yomabe ekero bako yomo cyanga kurwase nsemeyo okwana magayo korobochori bwa buli tukule garoni gali tukule robeso kire kanyara kumurekire ngane yo inse yo murayo bo David Kenyansa yubono chori tukanyara kubatena ni gabarundi abo batebirubuna omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarate nyari kwaligana chinkwana no mugavana we county yomabe Gladys Wanga elikane kibuna abarundi chigali chitipa baligo segasigiwe karwako yo mucyanga kurwa sense mejo asagote yabuna ni gobagendrete ko cyandwe karwako yo mucyanga ngana bagandiro mugavana anyare kumulikira asenchira yoime unatokumanyigwa no mulikito juri Kerubo
oyoiga okokwa maga korukunga David Nyangwara Kenyansa
kubatekana n'abachori bwakoretwe n'abagendi b'ekirori cy'abasombi b'umucyanga seritwe igoro nigabana cy'interebe cyo cyesokiri no gukwanira igoro y'abachori obu asebono basabo kubwaterana iri kubika amagenderero
oyo choretwe buno mucyamani bw'abandera bab'ekirori cy'umucyanga kuchakira litanga ni piongo baira neri abandera babamintu ngambuya monaso kwera korokyo bwege no bwaina sende konchora inje buno murayo ino egeremba gwagirise tubwaterana na inwe
ntwaro jenga na isaine tokamu burai ngo saba echiamani yete twachora yegeti tubwaterane ase bionsi bitori tokonyara gokora tokore asokotaka koreta magendero tali asokungusanana
na sengenje gaswa koreta igoro sokochoro umuraye to na intu na abantere boto tenereta ande tobwaterane gasi egera magendero agendere tokonyane
korengana no yatekero gekyo kyoboteneneri asereta David Nyangwara ni gasabo kubwaterana n'abarundi bonsi kubwamono ni gabori abanyakero gokorwase chi sector a cyo Burundi kubwaterana eryo kweneke buna uburayi bwayengwikirana buri
motene na monainje tubwaterane kiagera tarinje ngo chikogamba ebintu ntagete kugamba mbiri bibarengete nainde nare gosabaiga abarayi ba minto mbare bachorire buna bacheamani ase chinse mwa buno yo minto murai o matatu omwaka okongo mose oyo twariro bumanyi obonge nare kugani na bacheamani bande bunere tochamo tubwaterane erinde ritosukia magenderero na kuborie bintu kurwa sabarayi baito abo barasense bari baraseberi tukerio tubwatira namo irinde tokore mirimo
gochintere becho chiarereiro koro kwebangwere igoro ekero bagutambuka se county ya Homa Bay nabo igogoteba buna nigo babekeire chinsa ase bakumnyokirwa n'abanyanyimbo bono nigo bamusabira umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati gukwana mono umugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga eryo kororo byobwererani bwabo amone county ya Homa Bay
ekene mune ntu abantu abanyabiashara be Chirori ntobwate challenges nyingi sana kurwa county yetu ya Homa Bay. I think Homa Bay na Kisii county naba ntokole biashara pamoja. Owerani bwito tokora ni Homa Bay na Kisii county. Zo bono eshida tobwate neringa ntovinyire ku Homa Bay county. Obo vinyoga itongo linga ntobekere chinza etoko mnyoki gumate ne county government. So ni tuaga ni amones tax yabonere igorake nenyari tugotomigake Your Excellency tuaga ni ayabuno umugavana tune president yeto Kisii county okwane na governor Gladys Wanga Homa Bay county ebore ni bwito baragendere bobe buya
igabano bamusabira umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati wesokere gukwana nabo erinde abasira sebyombe babwate nabo igokuba ikange eryo banyare gukwana ebirero byabo
na intu tware kugusaba gavana ntubwate byombe na intu ntuganete tochije tugukwanie
ekerero yitonga na ki woja sore ntutage tugokorora ntutage tuikaransa naye togotebia yari tubwate kurwa somo ayo itoime go skuru amonga itoime igo gavana twasabire utokaribishe tujija sore togotebia itubwate turanyara konye county yeto
Simbarati koranche inchuga iga nayorore amagania ito bintu bikogenda bugika yaya
era torigererie getie kegabuna ara kwanirwa mangana kwanirwa na mange iga achega iga atorigere na into buna abantu baye egere tokonyane amagende agendere Kenya yeto engi mas tobetete na into buno mugusi toruko mugusi amina
Gingo ripoti rigeta seni Kiandizi TV Editarian Njuli Kerubu
Bijamono mulekete jiri Kerubu sorobochi rwa senchari jobo ikerano gotigana yubono mwancho muligereria ekyombe gya Eder Foundation kubwatirana amone ekyombe kirikia tabaka woda ekibono kerengete aso kunyara kurobo korre bwabo ikimanyikete buna tabaka wodi uongozi wa Hutu niko litukulia wanyara kurobo semi bwabo sensemo ya tabaka kutoka miyebunge ya South Mugrango ukone kore nseme iyo kyombe kini wanya kurobo semi guritinje cyokole ndabantu bale nobo goto nagotewe nenchire muranyara ko banyara ko bakonya nakobolya abantu wesoke nakone kibuna nkuba bara angikima aso gusira abantu bali abatali kwenyara nemuno abantu bali nobo gotuna tokumanyirwa no muri Keito Dipon asanya
ime county ya Kisii ngoika award ya tabaka ekyombe kya Ethel Foundation ngo kyomera nane ebyombe binde ao asenchire ya moyoko na maigelio na gusanga chinchera chokolenda bagotu asebinyoro unenchira yemo yokurwanerera oboene bwabo.
Majina naitwa Wilfred Wanjala Kusenya, Head of Programs Ethel Foundation for the Aged. Tulileta hii mafundisho katika kaunti ya Kisii kwa sababu Kisii kulikuwa na alamishi kutoka kwa wana county ambao walikuwa wanasema kwamba wazee walikuwa wanadhulumiwa. Lengo letu kama Ethel Foundation ni kuhakikisha haki za wazee zinatimizwa.
Usangana babwatani be kyombe gya tabaka wodi uongozi wa utu abo baba wikirana aso kunyora maigeli ya UN go bagokero mu rubuli yo nakubuli abantu bonsi koligerelia bagotu asenchirengia
sasa Maria Tangorgo Helen Kiriama igande umunyakiro gobye kyombe gekorwa ngatabaka wodi uongozi wa utu ekyombe gekwegerera obwene bwa mwanya abantu obwene bwenzipi buli omuntu awenerete konyora wono ntoli no mogokorero ntwanyora abaminto kurwa Ethel Foundation wachichaga igase ensemo ya tabaka tuacha kokwanira igoro y'abantu baita bagotu ngaki bagwenerete komenya narari bagwetera
wakongwe wanahudumiwa vile wanajichukulia wamejikataa wamefikia mahali hata wengine wanatamani wakufe. Sasa kuanzia leo hii tumeonyeshwa tumefunzwa jinsi ya kuwahudumia tuwapende na tuwafike karibu ili nao pia wajikubali kama wanadamu.
Nonye nabo chinga kechuni bagikelie bikora asaba saya bange bagukagira abantu abagotuko babarogi kubatikana n'emyaka yabo asaba igo baba bakubolia serikali kubika emiroberi emiya eyo erabege kwegerera abantu abagotu
igo nditagete gusienge mana kanya ngima elindekero omonto amanya oboene bwaye bwokomenya omonto amatukanya samo bekerete
amang'ana yekero arasoke isiko toyakwane naenda abaminto motobwatesie egere tunyare kurinda abagotu ntwe buna abantu ba Kisii County twarorera amang'ana abagotu bagwitira ekero tokunyora mu mwaka 2021 abang'ina baito baite tumarani abang'ina bane bagaitwa asing'encho ng'ana abarogi
tegeta abasae baito bamanya ng'a abagotu tali oborogi obogotu ne myaka egoika igo tutaete ko basegeta na baru bamanya munana ki muna bari youths bono iga na barabu nkogota bari ekero baragote amasikani abatagete bachikoegwe na butotagete baibuli baito abatomenyeta amana barabu
mize kuja na policies ambazo zinaweza tunza wazee ili maslahi yao yaweze kutiliwa mkazo.
Komenta nayo ni gobo baboli abantu bonsi koena nobo koreri obuya gochiasa abantu bonsi wanchireria bonde botayo
kubwa monekere twarigereria ensemo y'abagotu baitekere bachire no nyagitari na bekunyarikana baratibu ng'abaigana bararire emyaka abantu bari abake basugurukeru bona batware goteba ng'abantu abaigana barabu abagotu mbaga neiri babe bagusugurukero
magayaya nigo baruo kubolia kugosegeta abasae bonsi kurigereria abaibori babo wanchireri bonde botayo
abang'ina abange nigo baguchibegimeria abana bono bana abamba kubakonya igaya buno omwana omumura usomo iseke manyanga abaibuli abonsi nabawo naye kwa nabu bakorerete kagera gwikire iga bakonya bonsi asekere ngo kibwekaine kiagera tokonyoranga nonyino gusesenigwa kwa abaibuli nigo kureng'enchene no uchiasa abana babo
ginko ripoti ya gitaseni kiao na mbeyamo Kiandizi TV kurwase wodi ya Tabaka yotukemeye bunge ya Sauti Mugirango imiye county ya Kisii litalia nenkoro kwa Dipon asanya
Biyamuno mulikito Dipon asanya sorobocho rwa senchere yobo ikirano gotigana yobo mwancho muligereria omwaziri wa Kisemya Zekiro Makimacho guniga singirira gote yabuna go Ike University chikwaga chumiye county ya Nyamira insiyo buraigwa yatebere bura naene Kibuna University nkobekora asensemeyo okwana kurasoma bagani hemo imeye county ya Nyamira seritokoli ya rama yoko letaro ya yogo chia sensemeyo niganyara kobolia abamenye kurase county ya Nyamira na bayiboli kanigi ngobwatira na barasobeme asoko sire birengo bekisemi asensemeyo chingakecho wego macho guniga atebere buna abaroke bakolete class ya gatana gatoto se 12 bataragenda chiskuru chi college university bane kubona ngo batani bara chiskuru chi obundi elikonyara konyara chikos obune nchire mu yokonyara gokine birongo bechisemi unatokumanyirwa no muri kito kurose county ya Nyamira Paul Kapa Okara
gago kwaneme county ya Nyamira machuguni ga semeri habebeli kwene kibunango beka bali chisemi go cha sabana babo iligwe konya asama tukale bosyo
ekara bana babo etana ndoko rabyo ushek ndoko ende karwa itake onayo mu usumugaka omwana etire omwako ejere kenyoro teko ba usukona ndo gugaro umungena abantu batete kenyoro obentingana umwana somya wa
igo asemerie abana kwene kibunango ebundi sabale chikosi chamaboko echo kiranyara ko bachiko bakonye na barabwa bonyene kwegendereria anene asensejiga ebwatu kwerwanirira okonene
so we cannot say that the place to work is only here. We want to give our people the necessary acquired skills of international standard so that they can now be able to access these jobs. Na usia no ime jale bode, no ime chande. Tutu la bana kumu mwana nyore D plus, mwana nyore C. Tigaga neti tiae akore course gete, akore course gete mwana iwepo, mwana ikomante.
Achugwego niga tebirumna inse buraibwa he nigarat kunyara kabaga kwa Kibuna University ya Nyamira ni kunyara kabage kobekwa ase county ya Nyamira nga nonya abarayikora ase county ya Nyamira bagendera kwa bagotwaro ko musana na iguru na haralia erat kunyara kabage kobera
kanisa mwangaliro mwangenga onekere kenyoro ko musana na ngotia amwana na yeo baradi ngomware Todo te Nyamira, todo te vas a tu atele, oye cuando guaca carrera que te mira sanda que Nyamira y que tú aro. Tú se queda entonces. Digo que cuando el portina we have proper infrastructure facilities that we can be able to start a university. That is where we will start.
Goniga singire na batabuna enengo kurwa senseri ya Kuwait yirenge tukunyara kabage gukina chiskuru nigera tukunyara kabage kubwato kwa limolioka uruli atabirura tukunyara kabage gokonya chiskuru chinyinge kwegenderia.
Something that we have also been following for the last 13 years. When Muse Sokole Anapro Samongeri was Minister for Education. And that is a new support which was coming from Kenya government and also the government of Kuwait. Umeifuata, through the grace of God, it is now ready, the 1.9 billion kuhudumia sasa hivi. Wanatiba kijiachile, the contractors who have been contracted to do the work, and we are therefore coming with the section of the President most likely by next month to launch that particular project that is going to cover 69 of our secondary and the primary schools within Nyamira.
Numujega bwigwikiranwamo n'abarayikuru serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira abwasobo mubalirira ng'amatwi kunyaraka babakubwatira na mune serikali ya nene nenchire yamo yokukinia amagendero asibego batebirenga amararo abo babwate ucha 7 inchi gwikabatwi kunyaraka babako yaikirania.
Indeed, I want to confirm that we don't have a county statistical abstract, and in the next financial year we have provided this in the budget. We are going to work with the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics to develop a detailed county statistical abstract to assist us in planning.
Eginko ripoti likitaseni kia wanjete kia Ndizi TV kurwa stinsemechiga che county ga Nyamira inche gonkuruko Polycarp Okara
Bijamono muliketa Polycarp kana sorobochirwa senchera yobekirano gotigana yokurase county ya Nyamira togendera kumurika ya kole kanemi ya county ya Kisii esabari ya mwaziri wesemeze kiroma kimacha gukurase county ya Nyamira niyekera se county ya Kisii chinse mochiri cha Kibit kokwana kurenseme yuni ganyara ukwane gero yomurobiri we serikali eyibone rengeto mwaka bwekiri bubera na 30 anemaga yo sobisi ko chakro mwaka bwekiri na 23 ko mwaka bwekiri na 25 na biro 2027 okona kurenseme yimacha gunigata bira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nebigete miroberesene eriko nyarakane ki unambacho ikene chira chiriba bete bakoliera abamenyi bekinsemo unotokomanyigwa no muliketo Mildred Mumanyi
buna enchere ya moyogo ikirania ekirenga ya serikali ya Vision 2030 ase okoligereria amagani atato amanene alia agesiasa uchumi na boigo social sector nigo omorobiri wikigancha kene ya serikali gochiase obokoli wechi county boko baga emerobiri ya magendro ase miaka 5 erebosio emanyakaine buna medium term plan 2023 to 2027 County Dissemination Forum asebono omwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu aikerana ase county ya Kisii na kura omwega oyo aseba kwa na chinsemo chiria chiragire uchumi yensego kina iliyokoirera amabaga yemeremo komente kamono imeyensi ya Kenya anene ase county ya Kisii.
Today we have participated in the dissemination of the 4th MTB for the period 2023-2027. We have also had a presentation of the CIDP for Kisii County covering the same period. I know that the two documents are well aligned and the priorities for county are clearly identified. Both the MTP4 and the CIDP are based on the value chain approach. Simply put, value chain requires a production process to link production, processing, marketing, and consumption. It will also be necessary to aggregate our production within the county and from produce in the neighboring counties to achieve economies of scale.
Okomente kana ku mubaro bw'abamenyi imeye county ya Kisii nigo bono egendete kuirira chinde mero chikokiana asebono omwaziri atebire serikali nigera chie kuligereria chinchera ekyo kirache gokonya abamenyi konyole ndagera eisaine kurwase chinde mero bunentere yemo yogokinya sekta yobulemi.
Chameni, mmesikia ile changamoto ambayo tuko naye katika county ya Kisii. Changamoto moja ambayo tuko naye, watu ndio hao, population density ndio hiyo 957 people. Chakula sasa imeanza kuleta changamoto because sisi few years ago Kisii was able to be self-sufficient as far as food was concerned, but today we are actually importing food. Kweli uongo? Si leo tunaanza kununua chakula kutoka nje? Kwa hivyo county lazima sasa mbinu itafutwe. How do we revitalize, how do we commercialize, how do we improve our agriculture to a level where the little numbers we have, we can be able to produce enough, because food security is one such key thing that we have to do as a county before we have to think of all other aspects of development.
Sechinga kiechoni gasabire abarai bonsi kubwaterana sokolenta amagendero na kubwatesia serikali.
Mimi waambia watu sisi ni mandugu. Fuata mfano wa president wa Kenya William Samoei Ruto. Niliambia wale ambaye viongozi wa county last year kwamba sasa mambo hili ambaye ilikuwa ya uchaguzi ile liisa. Alitayareta kwa sasa mwege tomoto. Shughuli yangu ni nini? Ni vile maendeleo itafika Kisii kutoka ile wizara.
Ngolipotelia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV eleteliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mbiyamono mulikito Mildred Momanyi sorobocho rwa senchira yoboyekirano mwancho muligiro gotigana nayo omurayi bwense William Samoei Ruto nigagendrete netaro ya ekora senseria ya South Korea ukona kura Samoei Ruto nigate birebunense ya South Korea ne wento kubwatana monorongo rwa Africa elikone kibuna nkonyarere gokinia na koene kinguriro bomanyi bwaye igoro yechinjere cyo gutumeka ushinjere chekerera so konyara kwegendereria Ruto nigate birebuno South Korea boyigone chikonyara kubwatana monenseri ya Kenya elikonyara gokine chinjere chekerera so butumeki bwabasa asenchire mu yokonyara gokini uchumi chingake chiriganyara kubori South Korea kane kubuna okobwatana okuno bwa matobu yakati ya Kenya na South Korea gochikonyara gokini asemero biriyo yokonyara gotware mirima sabasa anemono asogotumeka chinchira chekerero gose technology.
Therefore, it is important that this summit will point the way to the future for initiatives like the K-Rise Korea program, of which Kenya is an active participant, to be extended across Africa. Such programs are not just about enhancing production, but are also about building capacity and transferring technology to promote sustainability and resilience, especially in the light of escalating threat of global climate change. Secondly, I'm optimistic that a primary area of focus in our deliberations shall be science and technology. To be effective and sustainable, a repositioned partnership between Korea and Africa must be intentional in harnessing the potential of the fourth industrial revolution. Without a doubt, Korea's impressive advancement of ICT, and especially in the fields of robotics, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing, can enhance Africa's capacity to undertake successful economic transformation. I therefore call for a significant enhancement of technology transfer and knowledge exchange in order to empower our youth and spur inclusive economic development. Increased involvement of the private sector from both regions through investment will stimulate growth, create jobs, and foster innovation.
Na chinga kyo chibono hayo agendrete wikaga sense ya Kenya mu Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi ni gubono nyare kuboria okubwatana ko imegati ensemeli yokorosi ya mashiko na wegone bunge ko mera nitukulia ragati ya babwatani kurwa ase committee ya senator iyo kuligaria mwana ilichi koni gwanyara gusanga mangana konyara kumurekerana kichinseme chibere kira chiko kolimere masubamo eli konyara gwikirania magendra abo na wegona bokorero gocha saba Kenya wanjire kondo wense gotayo Mudavadi gokonna naba ne committee ya senator ngetamwana ilichiko ni gubono nyara kagote yabuno okubwa tana wechinseme chibere ni gukora chiko konya gukirania magendro asanyarire kuboria konyara kwa ba senatari bagari yororo asokonyara kumurekera ali atakire goitigwa maika yama chiko korosigwa okubwatana okoni okogocha bunencherya mu yokonyara kuruwa bokorre weisaine ochesa ba Kenya.
We are gathered here to discuss how the executive and legislature can enhance their relations, creating an enabling environment for the Senate and its committees to deliver on the promise of enhancing service delivery to Kenyans at all levels. It is a worthy and timely occasion to assess the strides we have made and explore ways of cementing the interlinkages between these two arms of government. Honorable members, ladies and gentlemen, we are in a new facet of parliamentary business, and the interrelationship between the legislature and the executive is central to the delivery of our government's bottom-up transformation agenda. This does not in any way imply that the two branches of government have not been working together and collaborating on matters of national interest. What is new, though, is the constitutional architecture under which the two arms of government exist, and in particular, the redefined independence of the two arms, the questions and statements framework, and the Constitution of Kenya 2010, and the House standing orders. For the first time in the history of Kenya, we now have a State Department for Parliamentary Affairs under my office that is mandated to coordinate the implementation of the national government's legislative agenda across all ministries and state departments in consultation with and for transmission to the party coalition leadership in Parliament.
Na chinga kicho mo seneta bwe county ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandagoni ganyare kumulekera obukorere bwe serikali chechi county Mandagoni gate na ko bwa sekara wechi county ni kubono kwa bereko okonya ane mono henchera yokonyara wekerania magendero ikachinse mo chiri chebinyoro chinga kichi ganyare gote basomunyi gujubuna senate enyara ko guli gali yabana konyara wekerania obukorere bwabo batari go sonanwa na nsemendionsi.
Your Excellency, this county in terms of devolution, we want to say we have seen the difference devolution has made in service delivery, and we all do support the programs that are being run through enabling legislation in the Senate so that our counties can be able to do their work.
Na chinga kicho munyakiro bo teneta mwaneri chikase bunge ya Senate manyakante buna Kadhuri Murungi igona nyare kumulekera boigo bokorre ane mono kurwase bunge yose ensemo ya Senator asate biruna mbagandere kubwata naso bwamano kanyara koboli ya machika go ikwase Senator anyara kumulekera so ime wanchere kondo gwansigote yo nigate biruna bune Senate mbare maisoko ane kibuna machiko bwatera na senseme liyo korosi ya machiko na boigo ne bunge eliko nyara ko ane kibuna machika go eti watari ya machiko yoko nyara ko momentero muzigo mo Kenya kole na machikara nyara go ikirani go gocha abantu na bananchi ya gasense ya Kenya na majikalengete konyara kurobo korre wisene kwamereria na boigo gwanchereria gotayo.
But let me say that this retreat is a very unique one because it gives us a consultative forum with the key independent governance, financial control and accountability institutions whose mandate cut across our two tiers of government. That is why the majority leader is happy when he saw the control of budget, because, and also we also expecting the Auditor General also to join us, because those two institutions are very, very important to the Senate, because we cannot be able to monitor what is going on in the counties without those two institutions working on.
Na go tigana na ibono moncho moligereria ekyombe kiaba governor sio jini go no baberba gwe sokya iliko nyara go kwana na komoche serikali na soko nyara go te abuna ni go chi county chi aroka ni go tekerania obokorri buya sensemeli yobo chano kolengana ne kyombe kegia council of governors sio chini go bateruna ogo tabwato ko wechi besa kurwa serikali na go koirire andake amangana yama kabesa konyara comment kana asesemeli ya KEMSA ni go chengo banyare ko bole serikali ne ko ne kubana ko bwato kere chibesa kolengana lichiko ile banyare kana madeni ayubo na nsemeli ya KEMSA na gote yabuna serikali ye county teras nyogote na mangana rengete obochenu. Hello.
Nataka watu walipe kodi.
Governors, because I chair the health committee, to clarify some issues that have been very alive in the media for the last 3 days. For the last 3 days, we have seen a deliberate attempt by KEMSA the national government and their proponents to try and paint the counties as having been unable to meet their debt obligation as far as drug supply are concerned in KEMSA. Allow me to state the following facts. For one, the counties usually pay their debts to KEMSA depending on the age of the debt. And it's also important to note that there is no county that usually buys from KEMSA upfront. It's always a debt, and therefore there's nothing wrong with having a debt. The problem is when the debt accumulates beyond the 90 days. On the issue of the debts that have accumulated beyond the 90 days, allow me to state the following. One, the national government through Treasury owes the 47 counties a total of just above 100 billion up to the end of the financial year, which is just a few days to the end of the financial year. And therefore, most of the counties have paid their salaries, they have met their basic obligations in the counties, including the daily utility bills. The biggest problem is debts owed to suppliers, which have not been met because of the fact that the Treasury owes the counties 3 months worth of disbursement. If the Treasury was giving counties their money as is stated in the law on the 15th of every month, I can assure you that there is no county that will be having any debt to KEMSA by the end of each month. And therefore, I urge the Treasury to release the funds for the counties, all that is owed to them, and I would ask the KEMSA to check their accounts at the end of the month when that money has been released. I think it is also important for me to note that we believe as Council of Governors is more than what meets the eye. There is a possibility that we are trying to propagate this narrative that the Council of Governors or the counties have been unable to manage.
Umuwaziri w'uburimi Mutekari Nduri ni gobona nyare kuboria Wakenya kwane kibuna kwebata ni barasa nsembo yo wakaniba ngo bune nchiremo iyo kanyara kwane kibune serikali nkanyora richibe chise ni kanyara gwakana gadi ya makabesa yibona yabereke gutwara ukona kurose county ya Meru ni gobona Mutekari Nduri atebire buna gwetera nsembo yo gwetirichi kurenge finance bill ribona nyara kumurekera mangana rengete bango ni godra konya serikali asoko nyara gwakana gadi ya makabesa yibwate bune nchiremo yo kanyara gwikiranira gukinya amagendro.
Nataka watu walipe kondi, and let me be asked the question. We gave you money in the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development. How did you spend that money? That is the question I would want to entertain, and not a question of whether you are paying, you will pay.
Na ekiombe getene tobokore w'abanyanyimbo aipo ni kubona ikabosi bwe komiti ya bunge litukorera konyara ko eresera subwagari igoro yobokore w'abanyanyimbo naboigo abona barokana sama tukabanga konyara guita niko chinga keje banyara ko banyara kwereneria maboli na sikiwa nyimba bange barokane goita naboigo na sekensemo ya DCI ekiombe kereke ko robotu kibatari kubwatira na sobo ime nigo banyara ko bolwe konyara ko beka subwagare ase bikoro ya rokane asabanyanyimba sama tukabanga iga abwase bine binge bitari kubwatu w'abanyanyimbo naboigo na sekiombe kerege DCI gatara kana kuro roboti rwa basenchire bwanete kubwata kauna haipota liko roboti kiboisene iriko nyara kurwera abanyanyimba boko na chakwa bwana monekera bakubwata nigwa na mamocho nengana yarro kana go segeto na boigo no mubunge oborabu oyibono nyara ko buhorie na seki ebikore bigandrete comment kana ane mono cha sense media y'abanyanyimbo.
Somebody has gone to the police to report a crime. It has taken time, 1 week, 2 or 3 months. The police officers have taken their statement, but have not forwarded the file to the DPP. Now, when I come to IPOA to complain and tell them my file is lying on the DCI's desk for the last 6-10 months, immediately I complain to you. What does the police do? They immediately forward the file to the DPP with with or without the evidence, they forward your file, mutilated file, to the DPP, which means the DPP actually will throw out the case. Now, there is a lacuna there that I would like you, as you think about this, that lacuna, because you are the oversighters, that lacuna, how will you address this? Because that comes in a lot of times.
Reported some scheme of money fraud against police by companies, namely Progressive Credit and Hela Capital Limited. This is a letter that was written by the IG, Japheth Koome, the Inspector General of National Police Service, to the Director of Criminal Investigations. The IG was requesting the DCI to delve into the matter, noting that there were some fraudsters who had interfered with the payroll of police officers and introduced SACCOs, that is savings and credit cooperatives, that were targeting police officers and other civil servants by purporting to lend quick online loans.
Goodwill. In terms of the last point, we may not have delved into it because when people borrow, it's a personal decision. However, we've done a research paper on deaths and suicides within the police service. And what we found when we did that research is a lot of them are financially constrained because of that borrowing from multi entities. They end up stretching themselves beyond capacity to handle. A lot of them end up committing suicide, end up becoming very violent. There is a report, a very comprehensive policy proposal that was forwarded through the normal channels to the minister, not in the current government, but in the previous. And we recommended intervention on how to empower the police officers with the knowledge on how to handle their financial obligations. So it may not necessarily, we may not have investigated the exposure to criminal issues. We can take that up going forward, but we are aware that they overcommit their pay slips. To an extent, they are unable to survive, and it ended up making them either very corrupt or commit suicide, cause murders among themselves because of stress, and that is documented.
Burden still lies with DCI. And so we have to depend on DCI to give us answers to some of these forensic questions that we want. The forensic laboratory is domiciled at the
Wanchumuli gono go ikrabo na onka yakiro musumali mangana majia senchire jobo ikirano bia muna soko nyarago tengara ndizi TV asema goba yabono obwanso mu gwisato chiabono botuko tomera nenga kenna nda SMS ya mangana majia aseri bonyarago komanya buna abereka gwateko to bwatanero go tiraso muno bwemanyeryo igakoro kwa Lydia Mosekar kuri Petro na Mukera anda kichibi chamwe gichago ikeire senchire bona tasemeli mtandao nsemo ya Facebook tando buna ndizi TV News Digital na begensemeli ya YouTube na botono buna ndizi TV News basoko ba kutobwateko tirase website no www.industry.net so konyara kumanya yomo na yanda mange toro butuko buyo buligeryo beretirana nchenkuru ko Vincent Onyancha.